This will be a speed test between the Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro versus the iPhone XS Max. Now the K20 Pro has the Snapdragon 855 and 8 gigs of RAM on Android 9 and its latest version of its MIUI skin. iPhone XS Max has the 812 Bionic chip, 4 gigs of RAM, latest version of iOS. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has a faster boot up. Let's go. And I'm gonna give the boot up win to the K20 Pro. This phone boots up fast AF. And we are in! Nothing in the background on both. As you can see, all apps and caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. Messages. Very close again. The camera. We'll do it like this and let's go. Ooh, very close, maybe the XS Max by a tiny bit. Slow down the video. Clock on both phones. Go ahead and start the stopwatch on both. Leave that running. Chrome and Safari. We'll do a search for GSM Arena. Go. Let's see. Ooh, maybe the XS Max ad came up first. We'll go to the bottom on both. Desktop version. Let's see what happens. Ooh, looks like the K20 is ahead. Ooh, and give the win to the K20 on that one. Pinch to zoom. So you can see the browsing experience on Safari and the iPhone. So you can see, nice and smooth. Do the same thing on the K20 Pro. Not bad. Calculator. Very close. Play Store and the App Store, go. A little bit faster on the K20. We'll go to the apps and we'll choose any app. Pick this one and pick this one and leave it there. Amazon Shopping. A little bit faster on the K20. We'll go to the deal of the day and faster on the K20 again. eBay. K20 Pro takes this again. Ooh, iPhone lagging there a little bit. We'll click on this iPhone 10. Super Mario Run. Loading on the K20 Pro. Oh, iPhone's lagging here. Oh, and give the win to the K20 Pro on this. Ooh, but the iPhone's faster running the game, as you can see. Temple Run 2. Lost Jungle. Ooh, loading on the K20 Pro. And give the win to the K20 on this, as you can see. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both phones. Neck and neck. Oh! Oh! And give the slight edge to the K20 Pro. I thought that was going to be a tie at first. The two came up at the same time, but K20 pulled out ahead by just a little bit. Asphalt 9. Oh, I think the iPhone's out in front by a tad here. Let's see what happens. Will the K20 catch up? Oh, it does catch up and give the win to the K20 Pro. Wow, was not expecting that. And the iPhone's lagging. What is going on here? Here we go. We'll tap play once. And we'll leave it there. PUBG Mobile. iPhone XS Max is ahead. Will the K20 catch it? Oh, iPhone's downloading some apps here. Update. All right, you can take this one with a grain of salt. iPhone did have to download some stuff, but I don't think it matters. And then we'll just click on that. All right, take this one with a grain of salt. There's some extra stuff on the iPhone. It's all good. Still relatively fast. Didn't take that long. Adobe Photoshop Express. Both phones have this 8K image. I'm gonna choose the white balance on both, and I'm gonna choose flash on the iPhone and the K20. And then I'm gonna jack this filter up all the way. I'm gonna click this and then we're gonna see which one will save this faster. iPhone lagging a little bit on this step. Save to the camera roll and save to the gallery. Go. Oh, so close. You guys are the judges. Twitter. And the phone app. Pretty close. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Xiaomi fan? Do you have yourself a Xiaomi phone like this Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro, Xiaomi Mi 9, or a Xiaomi Mi Mix? Are you looking forward to the Xiaomi Pocophone F2? Do you have the F1 from last year? Or are you an Apple ice sheet rocking the iPhone XS Max or the iPhone XS, iPhone XR, iPhone 10? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.